Today we were out in Long Swamp Creek sampling for Etowah bridle darters using snorkeling techniques and seines.
Got one! Woo! Yeah, baby!
We're trying to determine the population genetics and use eDNA samples to determine the population range of the Etowah bridle darter to essentially determine if they are going to be listed on the Endangered Species Act or not.
Last summer, I was lucky enough to be one of the Jim Hill Diversity Fellows at the Tennessee Aquarium Conservation Institute. We started working on the bridle darter project while I was a fellow. Whenever I got into grad school, I was able to pick it up as my project, as my thesis, and continue my work on it. I've done a lot of the genetic lab work already. All the fish that we collected last year, I was able to take back to the lab and extract the DNA from. Collection days like this are really important. Not only are we getting to see where the fish likes to live in the habitat, but we're also seeing what other fish coexist with it. And we're getting a look at what the habitat looks like. So for instance, the dam that's upstream, that's definitely affecting the habitat downstream, which is definitely going to explain why they're not found in abundance here. I love working with Bernie and Shauna. They've been huge mentors for me in the field. They're why I wanted to get into this work and why I got so lucky to go to grad school and work on a fish that I'm really passionate about. So it's awesome to be back out in the field with them.
I do have the best job in the world. I'm able to do some science to study these fishes and have some data to back up the management decisions we make on how to better improve the habitat for these fishes. But then I just get to play in the stream with our great interns and fellows, our past fellows from last year that are now in graduate school. So it's just the fellowship of the humans and the fishes and the creek just all come together to make it a priceless day in the field. There's only been 4 Etowah bridle darters ever collected at this site. 1 year and 3 in the other. We've already got 4 today in about 2.5 hours. So that's not a lot of individuals, but compared to how many that have been found in the past, we're rocking it. Sean and I literally could not do the work that we have gotten grants to do without help from these interns. These students, they just get all these different experiences of what it means to be a fish biologist, in particular a fish conservation biologist. Hopefully that excites them to go on to be scientists. There is a mountain of work to do out there, but we're chipping away at it and making pretty good progress with all the wonderful interns we have, all the wonderful graduate students we collaborate with, and all the professors and agency folks.
This is one of the most amazing experiences I've ever had. It's a great job to have, just to get experience with all the amazing conservationists that do work here, and to get outside and play with some fish and just have some fun to see what's in here.